What's up guys, my name is Bridget Fabel. I'm an avid bow hunter and fly fishing guide out of Utah, and I'm here today to tell you about my favorite piece of clothing from Legendary Whitetails, the Cottage Escape Flannel. As you can see, I'm wearing one right now, and I literally have one in just about every color. One reason why I love my Cottage Escape flannels are the details, the little tiny details as far as the denim on the sleeves, the way it's cut, how it fits perfect for a woman. I just love it. I like that I can wear them open like this. I can button them up and have them closed. I have different colors for summer, fall, winter, spring. The color combinations are endless, and I love that they fit true to size. The length on these Cottage Escape flannels is perfect. I love where it rides down. Perfect, comfortable, girly fit. I love how you can wear them with leggings like I'm wearing now. You can wear them with jeans. You can wear them with a dress. It's a good all-around go-to clothing item that you can wear going to class, going to the store, going out to dinner, going to the farm, you name it. I've worn a lot of different flannels in my lifetime, and I have to say these are definitely the most comfortable, the most original, and the most stylish women's flannels that I've ever had. I seriously can't get over how fitted they are. It's so nice to be able to have a flannel fitted for women that looks beautiful, classy, and it's comfortable. Now, with everything that I just set aside, the Cottage Escape flannels are also very, very affordable. If you're like me and you love wearing flannels for just about everything, I definitely recommend at least trying out one of the Cottage Escape flannels. You will not be disappointed.